Okay, so I said I was coming back to show you guys the finished product. Here we go, the eggplant parmesan. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get it right. Okay, so I already went in here one time. I got to go back in here. When I tell ya, woo, woo, woo. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. It is so good. Perfect. Oh my God. This right here. Mm, 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 mm. Ooh, mm, mm, mm. It's hot too, but Jennifer, when I tell you this right here, oh my God. Oh my God. It's all that. I got to get up out this pan. I'll do half of it. It's so good. Look at all that. Still on the cheese. Woo-wee. Look, I'm be honest with y'all. I came in here. Hold up. I came in here just to get a little pasta, some rigatoni and sauce, right? I said, let me just pinch it, right? One time, right? I did eggplant parmesan on there. So I came in here to get this. That's all I wanted. Then I looked over here and I lifted up again. I said, I'm just going to go right in there and get it from right there. I've been standing here for a minute, y'all. I'm going to close this up. Now, you want to taste this? I'm going to bring some tomorrow. That's excellent. It tastes so good. All the flavors, everything you see me put, you can taste everything. It didn't take a whole lot of season. It's just so good. But this what I came to do, just to get some of this. So I can leave that alone because I'll get busy and I will hurt myself, Jim. So anyway, that's what it is, y'all. Honey. All that gooey cheese in there. It's like a explosion in your mouth of goodness. Okay, just wanted to show you. I got to post it up now. All right, guys. Have a good night. Now, text me and let me know if you want some. Jen, I got you, okay? And I got Miss Vera. I got you. Okay. Miss Vera, Reverend Vera. What am I telling Miss Vera? Okay, guys. Have a good night. I'm going in there. Boop, boop, boop. I gotta get me some of this to take in the room with me. Huh? Make you want to smack yourself right there. All right, let me shut up and eat. All right, guys, I'll see you in the morning. Have a good night. Bye.